is Prince Aaron J. Paglinawan. This is the question na lagi kong tinatanong sa sarili ko. Sino ba talaga ako? Hindi lang sa profile picture, hindi lang sa hobbies, at hindi lang yung tahimik na vibe ko sa group works. Today, let me tell you who I am. Mula sa philosophical, psychological, sociological, at konting political na perspective, pero chill Gen Z version lang, walang nosebleed. Kung sa philosophy, who am I is not about what I do but I exist. As an introvert, sanay ako sa katahimikan, hindi dahil mayain, pero doon ko nadinig yung sarili kong thoughts. Para akong singer na may sariling backstage sa utak ko. Doon ako nagpa-practice, nagre-reflect at nagpa-process ng buhay. Philosophically, I believe life is like a long ride. Para siyang pagmumotor. Minsan smooth, minsan rough road, pero ang mahalaga ikaw ay may hawak ng manubela. Hindi mo ko makontrol lahat, pero may choices ka lagi kung saan ka liliko. Psychology. As an introvert, people think tahimik equals weak, pero sa totoo, tahimik means observance. I listen more than I speak. Kaya siguro mahilig din ako sa singing. Hindi lang siya talent, therapy siya isaw, express things na di ko masabi minsan. And yes, I'm also a biker, I'm wrestling. Parang contradiction sa pagiging introvert, di ba? Pero, psychology teaches na humans are complex. Pwede kang soft-spoken, pero basically strong. Pwede ka tahimik, competitive, we will contain multitudes. Ika nga ni Walt Whitman. So, sino ako sa psychology? I'm someone who find strengths in balance, quiet mind, strong body, expressive soul. Pero di complete ang identity kung ako lang mag-isa sa sociology. Who we are is shaped by people around us, families, friends, cultures, community. Growing up, nakasanayan kong maging independent bilang biker. Sa natutunan kong mag-negative sa mundo, literal, figurative. You learn traffic rules, learn how to deal with strangers. You learn how to respect space on the road. Parang buhay, hindi ikaw ang bida. Lagi may ibang bidang riders, pedestrians, may sociological. I learn how you are part of bigger system. As a singer naman, community creates harmony. Hindi ka magiging magaling na performance kung wala yung mga taong sumusuporta o nagtuturo o nakikinig. So I am who I am because of the people who shaped me, yung mga naniniwala, yung mga nagtulak at minsan yung mga nag-underestimate. Sa political naman, hindi lang tungkol sa elections or government, politics is about power, voice, and responsibility. As a quiet person, minsan akala ng iba wala akong stand, pero being introverted doesn't mean natural. I believe na each of us the responsibility to use your strengths to influence the world. Kahit hindi ako pala sigaw, I still vote, I still speak out on issues that matter. And I still believe na dapat pantay ang respeto sa bawat tao. In arm wrestling, powers matters, pero sa society mas malaga yung share power. Hindi dapat may nanalo lang. Minsan mas maganda kung lahat ay may lakas. So politically, I see myself as someone who wants a society na may respeto, discipline, parang road equity,